Hi guys, this is Lisa Gonzalez with Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort. I'm going to be going over the steering wheel controls on a 2018 Chevrolet Impala Premier. First, with the steering wheel, it is upgraded leather. You do get the leather wrapped steering wheel on the Premier. On the left side, you get cruise control. It does have the adaptive cruise control, so it'll slow down for you. It'll start have the front automatic braking with it too. Your forward collision alert. This setting gives you three different options. Pretty much alerts you if you're coming too close to a vehicle. Your seat will start vibrating. You'll get like a red light up front on the front windshield telling you, hey, slow down. And then this heated steering wheel button on the bottom, pretty much if there's an amber light showing, it just shows your heated steering wheel's on. Press it one more time, turns it off. Back here, you have your favorite radio station controls. So when you program your favorite radio stations, it just flips through it. On the other back right side, you have your volume controls. Button goes up once and then the volume goes up. Back over here, you have two different controls for this section. You have your Bluetooth controls, so pretty much if your phone's paired to Bluetooth, press this button, it answers the phone call, press this button, it hangs up. Or you also have your Siri hands-free. So if you wanted to turn to a different radio station or call somebody in your phone book or have your navigation set up, press Siri's hands-free and it's going to ask you what action you want to do. And then on the right side is controls for your driver information center. So these arrows going up and down will show tire pressure, oil life, fuel economy, fuel range, trip 1, trip 2, pretty much everything you want to know about the vehicle shows up right there. Then you go to the side, it'll show your audio, your navigation, Bluetooth, all that. And that is all of the steering wheel controls on a 2018 Chevrolet Impala.